I think I need to recount. You think I got that not too
I think I got one.
Oh my goodness.
He feels heavy. He feels heavy. Oh, come on. Oh,
my God.
No! What is going on, guys? Welcome back Fishing with Norby. Today we're on Watts Bar. I'm fishing with my man Preston. How are you this morning?
Doing really good.
We got up pretty early. We put in at a different ramp across the lake. Drove all the way over here in the dark, and I forgot my camera gear. We had to drive all the way back, and then all the way back. But we made it here in time. It's a tournament time today. Crappie tournament here on Watts Bar, hosted by ACC Crappie Stix. If you guys haven't tried them, it's all I use, you know, for crappie fishing. And we're gonna catch them today. I'm excited. We found some brush yesterday we're gonna go hit, and then we might just have to go fishing if that doesn't pan out. But there were some big fish roaming around in that brush, so I'm excited. Got about 50 boats in today's tournament. Got old Wired to Crappie over here. How you doing, man?
Guys? Doing well.
It's Matt Hayes.
Yep, Wired for Crappie.
Check him out on YouTube. And he guides on this lake, right?
I do.
Full time? Yeah.
Well, not full time, but
And then you install electronics.
I do.
So if you guys are in Tennessee here around Watts Bar, go check him out. We'll link his channel down below. Hope you catch a big one today, man.
I hope you guys do too.
Thank you.
Good
Good luck.
Yep.
All right. We're going to get launched here. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Let's go catch them today. It's time. We'll just leave this down here wherever. It is time. Would you grab the minnow net? It's in the behind my seat, please. Gotta start off with a minnow. Sweet. Okay, so right out there. Missed it. Should be able to see it dropping today. There I am, going down. Shoot, don't let it drop too far. You're probably in it. Real. You got one, bro? No way. That's why we couldn't see it. Get it. Your first drop of the day?
Dude, that's a good one.
Yes.
Yeah, dude, that's a good one.
Come on. Where's he at? Where's he at? Oh, yeah, man. Nice.
Hey, we caught that thing quick.
Dude, that was quick. Oh, shoot. I got my line.
Pick up on it.
Dude, nice.
I pulled it.
Here, show him that camera behind you. He ate it while it was falling, man. Give me some. Yes. Good job, Preston. The first one of the day already. There I am. Feeling this cast. Dude, that's a giant.
Come in.
He's following it still. Yes, got him. Net. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh, shoot. He's over here. Yes, thank you, Lord. Give me some, bro. Woohoo! Yes. Oh, man, I thought he was going to be even bigger than that when I saw him on live scope. That's a fat fish. Hey, it's a good spot. It's Preston's spot. Whew. Wow. I'm gonna throw cold tags on them so we can get them easier. You got a stud too, man. We could weigh yours in second or third hour or whatever if we don't catch a bigger one. I'm fired up, bro. Yes. That thump gel, man. Here, let me put some more on yours too, because you caught one. That one followed it so far before it ate it. And I was just letting it sit there pretty much and just sniffing it. Still got some on there, but perfect. That big one gets behind it. Do everything you can to get it to eat. Just like that, man. Oh, he followed it. Look, there's a giant sitting in there still.
There's me coming in.
I see that. Oh, my
Oh,
bad.
you're good.
Somehow I didn't tangle you up. Where I'm falling. I think I'm falling right there. And make sure you bring it over that stick. Up, 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 up. Okay. There's another one right there. He's coming. Yep, just don't drop it at all. Woo. He's coming. Just like, yeah, do what you're doing. Oh, big one's coming, bro. Big one's about to get it. Yes! Yes! Dude, that big one shot all the way out of there. Oh, yes, man. Whoo, he swallowed that. Dude, that's bigger than your first one. Got him? Man, he swallowed that. Let's see if we can get it out of there. Isn't it in the top? Oh, yeah. That's how you wanted to eat it right there. I'll get it out there. Dude, he choked that thing, bro. Nice one. Heck yeah. Show that one to him. That, guys. So, yeah. All right. Throw number 4 on it. That was awesome, man. Maybe we should move to our other piles while they're biting this morning.
Well, he's gonna be lively, but he's breathing.
Come on, man. Oh, one's coming over to it. See it? Got it, bro. He got it. Yeah, that's a good one. Oh, yeah. Net.
Net.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, man. Come on. Oh, he's not as big as I thought, but we'll take him. Dude, we'd have a good 7-fish limit if they were doing a normal crappie tournament. I don't know if they're worth keeping or not to weigh in. Feel like we're gonna catch bigger ones.
All we can do is keep them for backup. Let's catch.
I know. We'll keep them for backup. We'll pull them out. We got 8 weigh-in hours. Dude, the first pile we've got 4 out of already that are decent. Another one. Let's go. Turning time. Let's go. We're getting them. See you on there at all? I'm right there. Where you at? Got him. I don't think he's very big.
Dude, no, look. I seen you shoot
Did
at the front side of that brush pile.
We'll throw him back. Oh, rush. He's not gonna help us. I'm gonna throw him back. Throwing an 11-incher back. Fishing a couple trees there, a couple crappie down in the middle of them. There we go. I don't know when we should move. You know?
But we caught our fish here later yesterday, so I'm not gonna come back.
Yeah, I think so. Let's go to our next one. We got 826. I don't know. Let's go weigh one in first. Let's go weigh one in, run to our next spot. How's that sound? Weighing that big one. People just started fishing. They're not going to be weighing them in yet. First one, gotta take the pink stick. 36.
Blast off this morning.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
You want to send her a pic?
Yes, I do.
Sweet, thank
I'm gonna
you.
try to keep her updated.
Thank you.
Gotcha.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's a nice stick there. Larry and Jan.
All right.
Got it?
36.
Set her in there. Put good weight on her. Awesome.
Thank you.
This makes me hungry.
Thank you.
Nice and easy on her. All right. Wait till it stops flashing. 1.61.
1.61.
Awesome.
Oh, you keeping him?
Yeah,
Yes.
we're gonna take her back to the
Thank
water.
you.
You want to take a
Yeah, I'd like one. Thank you.
Okay, excellent.
Thank you. We're going to get back at
See you
him.
in an hour.
Thank you. Let's do it, bro. There's one on the bottom though. Bad cast. There you are. Reel it, up, up. Oh shoot. Go way up here.
Yeah, I'm way up there.
Go, no, you're down here. Go. Up. Keep it up. See it? You were like way down there, about to snag it. But you didn't. You got one? Get him, bro. Oh, watch out for the troll mode. Woo! Good job. Dude. Good job. Keep him down. Oh, it's a bass. I bet you thought you had a giant. Good work. That's awesome. Sorry, I didn't mean to coach you there. I just thought we were gonna get snagged. That's a good one, man.
Old black lip.
Yeah, he's got some stains on him. Heck yeah. Nice. Boom, got him. Good one. This has got to be a bass. It's got to be a bass. I don't know, man. If this is a crappie, if this is a crappie, it is a giant. But I think it's a bass. What is it?
Is that a crappie?
Oh, dude, it's a striper. A legit striper. Wow. He fought so hard. Quit it. Wow, I haven't caught an actual striper in a long time. That's cool. Thank you. Striper, guys. Oh, we saw it and we're like, I don't think that's a bass. Got our hopes up for a second. Think they'll let us weigh that one in as a crappie? Dang it. They chasing it? Huh.
I got one coming this way. It looks small.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, there's a big one.
He what?
There's a good looking fish that they're rising up out of there. It might be coming over this way. Look at right.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
But changing
Which way
direction.
is
I
he
lost
going?
my bait. My bait's like right over in here.
Oh, he's right there. Dude,
on the way
yes.
up, man.
No way.
Dude, they got freaking-
Please be a crappie. Oh, bring him over. Oh, it's a bass, isn't it? It's a small. Is that another meanmouth? Dude, you caught another meanmouth. What? You ever caught one?
No, that's my first one.
Dude, that's a good meanmouth too. It's like 2 pounds. You want a picture?
Yeah, I just.
That's cool. Look how weird he
Pretty cool.
looks. That's awesome, man. Heck yeah. That's that big one you were looking at on the bottom. He shot up. He gone. A meanmouth. That's sweet, man. A mean mouth. That's that big one you saw. There weren't any crappie in this thing.
No. Look at here.
You got it?
I
Nice.
didn't feel like it was there at all.
Bend that hook back. We're gonna move. There's no crappie in this one. Dang it. Got him, bro.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, well, I don't think so. No, little guy. Little guy. But hey, he was aggressive, man. First cast in there, he shot out to eat it.
That's good.
That is good. Find the big one now. Crazy windy. I got one, bro.
Yeah.
Good one. Yeah. Well, he got lighter. I don't know. It's a bass. It's a bass. Got excited. Bass down there. They want it too. There's a giant fish over here. Got him, bro. It's not a crappie. Well, it might be. If it's a crappie, it's a giant. Oh, it's a carp. I hooked a carp in the mouth. What? Get him. Oh, big one. Wow. A buffalo. Well, see you, buddy. You can let him go. He came off, yeah. Wow. Why did he eat that? Buffalo carp just tried to eat my jig. Wow. Yes, bro. They don't look very big, but we'll find out. They're right under the dock. Dude, second it got down there, it's a good one too. Yeah, it's a good one. Oh, yes.
Oh,
heck yeah. There is a school on the marina. We could probably weigh him in, but I don't think he's gonna do much. Let's see. I'm gonna compare him to the ones we got. You got one? Good one? Good one? What?
there is some big ones on there for real.
There's some bigger ones? Oh yeah, it's a little one. Throwing him back. Let's go. Second I got it down there, yay. Let's go, doubled up. Don't worry, it's just sleeting again. It's just sleeting again, don't worry.
See, look over here.
Yeah, that's a good one. Got him. Another good one. Feels good. Man,
Dude.
I don't think they're gonna help. What?
That's kind of fat.
He's fat. Look at that black nose crappie. You
Look
ever
at the
seen
belly
those?
on him, man.
That's called a black nose crappie.
I've seen
it's in their
some of those,
jeans. You've seen them? Yeah, he's fat, but he's not fat enough. Oop, watch your foot. Oh, the school moved on us. They said, oh, they moved up under there.
No, we still got a school here.
I know, but
Oh.
the bigger school. Pretty sure those other ones are bigger in that group right there.
Yeah.
Those are bigger fish. You want to see where you're at? There you are. That man sure didn't have many crappie when he left. Surprised. They're biting this good. He should have caught them. One shooting out from the middle of the pile.
You got him?
Got him. Oh, good one.
That one's good.
This one's a netter. This is a netter. Yep.
I got you.
That one's a weigher. Yes. Woo.
Good.
Oh, thank you, Lord. I thought he was gonna be bigger than that. Well, my camera back here died. Hopefully it didn't go kaput, because it's like raining and sleeting and it's not waterproof. Woo! That's a good one. Going back here. Let's try to be subtle as we walk around. There he is.
Good.
Oh, he's decent, but he's not like that one. No, he's little. Oh man. Other one. Yep. We're gonna catch every one of these out of here. Huh? We're gonna catch every one of these out of here. They're biting today. Wow. Another one. Man, these are good fish. You know where to come wear them out now. You ever want to flay up some crappie, you know it.
Big one this time, man.
There's another one. Yep.
Hey, come there.
Back to back. Just put it on. Your weight slid down. Might be why. But yeah, throw this color on. Smashing it. Gosh. I think we need to come in on the other side. There he is. Ooh, that's a good one. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Alright. Oh, man. Think he's gonna help. Yeah, that's bigger than... Oh, he got you wrapped. I think that's bigger than one we have, don't you? Maybe?
Yeah, that looks good.
I don't know what happened there.
Another black nose.
Will you reel up, please? I don't know what's going on. They're close. Another one. Yeah, those are decent. Okay, time to weigh in again. So we're at the end of an hour and the beginning of an hour. We're gonna weigh 2 in a row in. Let's see, but he will do. All right, that's good.
Right?
Hey, how's it going? I don't think there was a point, but or no.
Stick.
You even told me.
Yeah, I said bring it down.
The stick.
Stick number 36. 36. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. Oh, look at that black on there. Nice. Black. It's the first black one like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. 1.33.
Yeah. 1.3.
You'll get a picture.
That's fine. Sure.
It's pretty black.
Yeah, it's a pretty one. We got a lot of his brothers. We got a lot of his brothers.
Yeah.
If there was a 7-fish tournament, we'd have a solid bag. Yeah, you had a good taste of live scope after today. Yesterday, I mean, you didn't really get a chance. to see it.
I kind of helped out when I could see my bait yesterday, even though I missed him.
Yeah,
And then I started out today dropping right on his head.
yeah. It's crazy how much difference it is today from yesterday. Got him. Feels like a heavy one. Oh, that's a weigh-in fish, maybe. Maybe these ones are all whites or something. That was a good one. Woo! Nah, he's not a weigh-in fish. He's like 1.25 pounds. I don't know. What do you guys think? Weigh-in fish or not? I don't think so. But just in case. There he is. Ooh, feels good. Dang. They feel so good, man. Yeah, there's no net in them. They're gonna break us off here. We keep rubbing against all that wood. Whew, another one. That's 3 here. There he is. Now they're eating the jig the second you took it off, man. Back to back on the jig. Pretty one. Just not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. You watching it on there? Got it. Got it. Around some wood. 1 foot in the boat. Oh man, it's a decent one.
A little better.
Yeah, fatty. Man, took them forever. They stared at that thing for like a minute or 2.
Oh, I see what I'm gonna do. I think I need to retie. You think I got that knot too
I think I got one.
Oh my goodness.
He feels heavy. He feels heavy. Oh, come on. Oh!
Oh my God.
No! He broke the line and got off.
Jeez.
Dude, that was our
a stud.
2-pounder.
Dude, that was a stud. Oh my goodness.
He broke the line and got off. You gotta be kidding me.
Well, there's a bunch more in there and we got 2 hours.
Oh my gosh, there are a bunch more in there. We found our 2-pounders, guys. Just boat flipped one over the dock. Didn't retie. He broke off, bounced back in the water. That was unreal. Wow. Unreal. Unreal, man. Yeah, put some of that thump gel on there. Woo! Wow. That's crazy. I can't believe that. Old Big got off. It's ACC 7.5 foot rod. No issue swinging that 2-pounder. Boat flipping him. My line was the issue. I hadn't retied. And I'd boat flipped, what, 5 of them over that?
Over the wood and concrete.
Over the wood and concrete and everything else. Yeah.
I'm trying to get Old Big.
Get him, man. Ah. It's about to happen. This isn't gonna work. Because that's only... Is that going down on them? No, that's right on the edge of them. Oh, they're coming for it. Quick. They wanted it. Got him. Oh, it's another big. I think it's another big. Oh, oh, what do you think? A little bigger, little bigger. Not like that one. Whew. Maybe weigh it in. Oh man, I'm gonna throw back that one. Going in. Oh, he's on there. He's like, he came up and looked at it. Dang it.
Buddy.
Yo. Oh, come on. Wow. Swim away. Don't tell your friends. Got him. Man, these are solid fish. They're just not big enough to be a 2-pounder. Over there. Nice.
That's a good.
Yep.
Get in there.
Yep, we got to get him too. Got him. Woo! That's a hefty black crappie.
Big black.
Yeah. Is that gonna work, you think? Got it. Oh man, those are fun all day. Smoked it. Oh, thank you. About lost my rod. There you go. Well, I'm gonna throw these guys back. We're out of time. That was a good one. Look at that guy. Anytime you're catching 13, 14-inch slabs, that's close to 14 probably. That's a good one too. I don't know who put this banana in the well, but that's hilarious. That's what did it, man. The banana in the well. That's what did it.
No.
That's why that 2-pounder came off. Got home from the tourney, had a blast fishing with Preston out there. That was incredible. We ran into a school of crappie we didn't even know was there, and then it was moving on us, and we kept roaming around, chasing it, finding it, and then they'd bite again when we got it in front of them. So cool. Big crappie, but not big enough to catch a check. Took 1.9 pounds to catch a check, and our biggest one was a 1.6 something. That first one we weighed in actually, and yeah, I think you saw that epic boat flip break off 1 over 2 pounds. We probably would have cashed a check with that one. That fish was so big. Flipped it over the pontoon, over the dock, onto my boat. It broke the line in midair, bounced on my boat, bounced in the water quicker than I could do anything. That was something else, but that's how it goes. And it's okay. It's okay. God's still good. I want to share a little something with you guys. One of my favorite verses, Psalms 34:1. It says, I will bless the Lord at all times. His praise will continually be on my lips. We need to be thankful. We need to give the Lord praise. We need to bless the Lord, extol the Lord, lift him high in our lives, and see if he won't pave the way for you. Even when that crappie breaks off, bounces on the boat, goes back in the water, it's still good. That's what it was meant to be, and on to the next one. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more. Haven't mentioned it in a little while, but if you're interested in supporting my YouTube channel, it really helps out paying my video editor and keeping these videos coming at you. I would love to do it full-time. I'm not full-time. It'd take me quitting my full-time job, which is going to be hard to do. We'll see. I need YouTube to about triple or quadruple for me to actually quit and do it full-time, unless you guys have it on your heart to support my channel. You can do that. Become a Fishing with Norby patron, link down below, and communicate with my patrons regularly. They ask questions as they have them, ask for prayer, anything like that. I communicate with them a little more than everybody else that reaches out. But I try to respond to everybody. But God bless you. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're going to get out of here. The jigs and everything are linked down below. Use those ACC crappie stick rods. Such a good rod. They hosted the tournament. Such a good tournament. So cool. Love that format, that big fish format, weighing the big one every hour. But we're going to get out of here. God bless you. We'll see you on the next episode here at Fishing with Norby.